everyone. I hope you all are fine. Students, today I am going to start chapter 8, that is Saudi Arabia, the land of sand dunes. Students, before I start my today's topic, I want all of you to know that there are two types of deserts: cold deserts and hot deserts. In this chapter, you all will learn about hot deserts on the basis of its location, climate, rainfall, natural vegetation, crops, wildlife, minerals, people, and its specialty. Today, I am going to discuss location and land of Saudi Arabia. First, I am going to discuss terms that you will read in the chapter today. Desert, dry and sandy area. Sand dunes, small hills of sand. Temperature, degree of hotness or coldness. Plateau, high flat table-like land. Peninsula, land surrounded by water on three sides. Gulf, water body surrounded by land on three sides. Wadi, a wide passage which contains water after rain. Few difficult words that you will read today are vast stretch, large in size, barren, infertile, acute, extreme. So students, open your social studies book at page number 52. You all have to mark important terms and meanings while reading the chapter. Deserts cover about 1/5 of the Earth's land surface. Most hot and dry deserts are near the Tropic of Cancer or the Tropic of Capricorn. The hot desert region lies around the tropics on the western sides of the continents. The important deserts around the Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere are California Desert of North America, Sahara Desert of Africa, Arabian Desert and Thar Desert of Asia. The deserts around the Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere are the Atacama Desert of South America, Kalahari Desert of Africa, and Western Australian Desert of Australia. The maximum temperature ranges from 43.5 degrees Celsius to 49 degrees Celsius. The average rainfall is below 15 centimeters a year. Word temperature means degree of hotness or coldness. The temperature of deserts go up very high during the day. It ranges from 43.5 degrees Celsius to 49 degrees Celsius. There is hardly any rainfall in deserts. The annual rainfall is less than 15 centimeters. Usually a desert is described as a vast stretch of sand. Word vast stretch means large in size. In simple words, desert is a dry and sandy area. Sahara in the northern part of Africa and the Death Valley of Colorado in the United States of America are best examples of this type of desert. Students, Death Valley is a desert valley in eastern California in the north of Mojave Desert, bordering the Great Basin Desert. It is one of the hottest places on the earth, along with the Sahara Desert. Here, You all can see Great Basin Desert of North America and Sahara Desert of Africa. Location: Saudi Arabia in the Arabian Peninsula is a hot and dry desert. Students, word peninsula means land surrounded by water on three sides. It occupies most of the Arabian desert. It is located to the west of India between the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf. Gulf is water body surrounded by land on three sides. Saudi Arabia lies to the west of India. It occupies a large portion of the Arabian Peninsula. In the east, it is separated from India by the Arabian Sea. In the west, the Red Sea separates it from the Sahara Desert. It lies between Red Sea and Persian Gulf. It is surrounded by Jordan, Iraq, and Kuwait in north, the Arabian Sea, Oman and Yemen in south, the Persian Gulf, Qatar, Manama, Bahrain, and United Arab Republic in east, Red Sea in west. Students, Saudi Arabia shares its land boundary with Jordan, Iraq, and Kuwait in north, Oman and Yemen in south, Qatar, Manama, Bahrain, and United Arab Republic in east, and water bodies like the Arabian Sea in the south, the Persian Gulf in the east, and the Red Sea in the west. Land: most part of Saudi Arabia is a sandy desert. In the west, it is a rocky plateau which gradually slopes towards the east to the Persian Gulf. Students, plateau is a high flat tableland and Gulf is water body surrounded by land on three sides. Saudi Arabia is covered with sand, but towards its west it has a rocky plateau which is sloping towards Persian Gulf in the east. The mountainous region in the north is known as Nejas, and in the south it is known as Asir. Correct the word Nejas and write down there Hijaz, Hijaz. Mountain range in the north is Hijaz and in the south is Asir. To the east of mountainous region lies the central plateau Najd. Plateau Najd lies to the east of Hijaz. This region is surrounded by Nefud in the north, Rubal Khali in the south, and Dahua in the east. These three are the largest barren deserts. Word barren means infertile. Students, the largest barren deserts of this area are Nefud in the north, Dahua in the east, and Rubal Khali in the south. A number of hills of sand called sand dunes are found in these deserts, which are blown by strong winds from one place to another. Students, write down the term of sand dunes, small hills of sand. Sandstorms are quite often in the desert region. They take away sand from one place and deposit it at another place. These hills of sand are called sand dunes. There is an acute water shortage in Saudi Arabia as there are no permanent rivers. After the rains, the wadis or wide gutters flow and end in the deserts. Word wadis means wide passage which contains water after rain. Students, there are no permanent rivers in the deserts. There are wadis or wide gutters which contain water after it rains. So students, in this video I have discussed about location of hot deserts, that it lie in the western margins of the continents near Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. And deserts of the world are Sahara Desert and Kalahari Desert in Africa, California Desert in North America, Atacama Desert in South America, Western Australian Desert in Australia, Arabian Desert and Thar Desert in Asia. It is your homework to read page number 52 and 53. Thank you.